Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
There's no way. So this is all extra. You know how we do. Check out the book. So I give you some scenarios on how to handle that at the closing table. And I'm just really proud of this new book here, Notary Signing Agent. It's not that complicated. How to become one. So what questions do you all have? I see some things here. Oh, Blue Truth, thank you. Thank you for congrats on the book. I appreciate it. I was saying it's a labor of love because it took 4 years for me to get this book out. It should not have taken 4 years, but I just haven't had time. The mentorship started off, and I spend a lot of time with that mentorship program. I really do. So if I'm not answering questions in the chat, I'm helping somebody behind the scenes, offline. So I'll tell you about the mentorship in a moment. But finally, the labor of love is here, and I'm so excited to show you guys my new book. Okay. Let's see. New Life Praise and Worship says, who can I hook up with in the state of Florida to become a signing agent? You don't have to be with somebody in the state of Florida, New Life. You don't. That's the whole point of our mentorship program. Our mentorship program is comprised of people from California, Florida, Texas, Georgia, Alabama, Utah, Nevada, New Jersey. We got people from all over, okay? Because as I stated earlier, you may not have caught that. Your documents aren't going to just come from one state. So we're able to encourage each other. Doesn't matter what state you're in. Just like it's no different than I'm a woman, there's women in Alabama, there's women in California. All the women come together, we form a team, okay? That's how it is in our notary mentorship program. It doesn't matter. We have men and women in the group, all different states, all different parts in your journey. Some are more advanced, some are just starting. So you can work the program at your leisure. You don't have to worry about, well, such and such has been in business for 6 months. Okay, you're just starting. We got you covered. This person may be doing loan signing. This person may be doing I-9. So we teach you how to have multiple streams. Now, not all at the same time, but how to offer multiple services. So when the business is slower doing loan signing, you can do something different. You can do apostilles and all of these different courses that we talk about, all 16, Notary Signing Agent. I think I have a picture in the book. Yes, I do. In the book. These are all the courses that we offer, not to mention Chat GPT. I mean, all the additional little trainings that we do live weekly. So I guess this would be a good time to tell you about the mentorship program. So let's start with the on-demand course library. So we got Notarize Like a Pro, teaches you how to properly notarize. Then you have specialty general notary work, because everything starts with being a great notary. Going into the hospitals, how to do jail signings. Then we have loan signing A to Z, which is the course that corresponds with this book. Okay, how to be a great loan signing agent, master apostilles, wedding officiant, Google My Business, how to build your business course, estate packages, remote online notary, and fingerprinting translation services. There's a tax course, a pricing and marketing course, straight up marketing. So, I mean, we got you covered literally every place in your notary business. That's why the whole year of 2025, whenever you're watching this, 2027, 2028, 2029, 30, whatever, we got you covered, okay? And everything you need to do your business. No more excuses. No more excuses. People are like, well, training costs too much. Training is this, training is that. Those days of those type of trainings are over, okay? We have access to everything you need, one flat price, all inclusive, including membership, mentorship rather, weekly live trainings. We're going to have a live training tonight at 7. It's at 7 tonight. If you're catching this later, you can always go back and catch the replays of all the trainings. And that's the blessing now. If you join mentorship today, you still get access to all the trainings we had for the last over a year. You know, you get access to everything. So, and the trainings are Chat GPT, how to do Google reviews. They're very in-depth. Everything we do is just top-notch around here. So I'm pretty proud and pretty stoked to roll out my new book. And also you can check out mentorship. Again, if mentorship is not for you, that's fine. You can buy the courses, any one of them you like, for 60% off. Coupon code is WIN2025, and that's 60% off. That percentage off is not off the mentorship. I should be clear. I think it is clear if I say the courses. The mentorship program is a mentorship, and then you got courses, and then you got books, and you got all this other stuff, right? So get in where you fit in, but we would love to be a part of your journey. What other questions do we have today? I see we got some new people that have joined us. We're talking about becoming a notary signing agent. Is it too late? And it's not. It is not too late. If you have not checked out the new journal collection, I'm telling you guys, oh my God. It is beautiful. I'm going to have to open the door and have Jeffrey bring me the journals. Hold on. I should have brought them with me. Hold on. Jeffrey, me and Maury, can you bring me the journals from downstairs, please? Can you bring me the journals from downstairs in the living room, please? Sorry about that. But I wrote out a whole journal collection, and they are beautiful. I love them. So in the journal, though, and you'll need a journal for your loan signing work. Okay. And just in case you are just still a little hesitant about should you even get the book or whatever, start out with my free resource, Become a Loan Signing Agent. There's a whole tip sheet at Notary Educators under the free resource tab. Okay. So start there. Okay. That way you can start and just kind of see, do I really want to do this? Is this something I'm interested in? You ever took on a project and you're like, oh, I don't know. I shouldn't have did that. I just spent $2,000. I did that recently, actually. Not recently. I did it, last year? Almost 2 years ago. I took a what is that course? Thank you, babe. Step back, I'll get it. Okay. I got it. Thanks. Oh, hold on. Thank you. Okay. Let me show you the journals right quick, and I'll tell you my little story. So this is one. Isn't that cute? I love the journal. So any flavor you want, they come in hard copy and paperback. This is the one with the cards on it. I did a whole thing the other day on how to fill out the journal correctly, okay? But all these different journals, so the day of your grandmother's journal is over. We have all these cute journals. Look at that, marble. Another one, this is for my guy folks or those who love cars. Yes, we got you covered. Check it out, the purple. All right, I got a couple more. This one ended up being my favorite with the cats and the dogs. I love it. These journals are amazing. They have everything literally you need in it to write, okay? Thumbprint, everything you need. Place where your dollar amount, how much you're charging, your travel fee, your stay fee, number of stamps. You need all of that information. So we got you covered. So anyway, what I paid money on that I regret, not really regret, because I still learned something. You could always learn something, but I decided I don't want to implement it as part of my business. So I bought and paid $2,000, literally. I'm not exaggerating, $2,000 for a immigration training. And it was a really nice training. I enjoyed it, but I have no interest in doing immigration documents. Why? Because it takes too long. I'm just not ready. Look at them journals, y'all. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Any journal you want. Okay. Yeah, I'm not interested in doing immigration documents. So the reason I came to that conclusion was because your girl like quick money. Okay. I love general notary work and loan signings because it's quicker money. Especially general notary work. I can go to a hospital and make, $75, $100, $150, whatever, in a matter of 30 minutes. Okay. I did a job the other day. Now my sister wanted to do the business because she saw me charge $200 for an apostille. She was like, what? So my sister may be joining us very soon, y'all. She couldn't believe it. And it's real money. I tell y'all about that. I have the apostille course, so you don't have to pay $200 for it. It's either $77 if you want to buy it, or $77 if you want to buy it, or it's $47 part of mentorship. And it's not no watered down course. It's the real deal.